to a mouth-watering journey through the world of keto cuisine. Today, we're about to embark on a flavorful adventure, diving deep into the world of keto cream cheese mushrooms. Let's dive into the video. Wait, before starting the Keto Cleanse video, I introduce you to Icaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 6 large mushrooms, cleaned and stems removed, 4 Oz cream cheese, softened 2 cloves garlic, minced 2 tbsp grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tbsp chopped fresh parsley, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil for brushing, olive oil. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, mix the softened cream cheese, minced garlic, grated Parmesan cheese, chopped parsley, salt and pepper until well combined. Stuff each mushroom cap with the cream cheese mixture. Place the stuffed mushrooms on a baking sheet. Brush with olive oil and bake for 15-20 minutes until the mushrooms are tender and the filling is golden. Serve hot as a tasty keto appetizer. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat. To get the Icaria Lean supplement, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.